Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Christian and this is CXC Beauty. And today I'm sporting my king outfit because why not? But today's going to be another Valentine's Day video and I'm super excited because today I'm going to be using our brand new palette, which I'm having trouble saying the name because it's a lot of P's. It's the Purple Passion Pro Palette. Yes, Purple Passion Pro Palette. It's one of our new Pro palettes and it looks like this. It's all purple tone, so you get 12 beautiful shades in 3 different finishes. And yeah, this is our brand new baby and it is part of our Pro palette line, so all of these shades are removable and interchangeable. So if you have the Essentials palette and this palette, you can interchange all of the shades, or you can get single shades when we launch our shades in the standard size. Also, another reason why these Pro palettes are amazing, not only are they nice, sturdy, hard plastic, they have a beautiful big mirror, but if you run out of any shade in particular, you don't have to buy a complete palette all over again. You can just buy the individual shade and you can just pop it right back in there when you run out or if it breaks. So it makes it super easy and convenient and more affordable. So in conjunction with that palette, I will be using the Natasha Denona Love Palette because it is Valentine's Day and I wanted to have something themed Valentine's Day. So we're going to be using this in conjunction. And Tony actually bought me this for Valentine's Day, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to incorporate some of these shades with our Purple Pro palette. So I'm going to jump right into it. I'm going to do my complexion off camera and then I'll be right back. Hey everyone, I'm back. I had to take my royal jacket off because it was getting so hot in here. We have to turn off all the AC units in the studio when we're recording because literally my microphone will pick up everything. So I had to take that off because I was literally melting. But I have my face on, I have my brows on, and we're gonna dive right into eyes. Okay, so I am starting off with the Purple Passion palette, with the Purple Passion Pro palette, and I'm going to jump into this shade right here called Sea Witch. And I'm using a little CXC Beauty Precision Blending Brush. And I'm going to start building my colors up. And I'm going to try to do more of like a halo eye today. So I'm going to be putting this in the inner and outer corner. And then I'm also gonna blend it through the crease really softly. Now with a clean CXC Beauty Fluffy Blending Brush, I'm gonna diffuse that color a little bit. And also like bring it up and out. Okay, now jumping into a deeper purple, I'm gonna go into Vibes, which is this purple right here. And I'm gonna start placing that a little bit more into the crease and outer corner. Same thing with the inner corner, just a little more tight inside the crease. And then blend it outwards with the fluffy brush. And what I'm doing is I'm just slowly building intensity. Okay guys, now jumping over to the Natasha Denona palette, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Heart. And it's a nice, beautiful red color. It almost looks exactly like our red in Palomino Paradise. And I'm gonna take that on the fluffy brush and lightly tap in there. And I'm gonna start using this red on the outer part to kind of diffuse the purple. Yeah, this shade is literally exactly the same as Floor in Palomino Paradise, which I love because that's one of my favorite colors. Okie dokie, now hopping back in, I'm gonna go into the shade Intense, which is like a corally pink color. Same brush, and I'm gonna further diffuse the red. Now I'm gonna go back into my purple palette and go back into Vibes and just intensify that. Since we are blending and building, blending and building, you do lose a little bit of intensity, so I'm just putting that right back. Just to keep it all vibrant. Okay, so I'm gonna go into the Purple Pro palette and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Merlot. And I'm taking that on a little shader brush. This is the CXC Beauty Crease Shader Brush. And I'm going to start packing that into the center of the lid. And I'm just tapping that on. Okay, now right over that, I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Hex. And I'm taking that Hex shade and just concentrating it right on the center. Okay, now taking a little pencil brush, I'm going to dive right back into Sea Witch, and I'm going to start building up my lower lash line. Now I'm going to jump into Vibes, which is the deeper purple, and I'm going to concentrate this color on the outer lower lash line. Now hopping back into the Natasha Denona palette, I'm going to take this shade right here called Transparent, and I'm going to pop that into my inner corners. And actually, I think I'm going to take that same shade and just put a little bit on my brow bone because it's so freaking gorgeous. Okay, so I'm not going to do any liner today. I'm going to take a little bit of our shade Brujeria and Cauldron, and I'm going to mix them and do like a little bit of shadow liner. And I'm just doing that with a little angled brush like this one. This one's from Sigma. It's an E65. Okay, so now I'm gonna load up with mascara and put some lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I did go ahead and add a little bit of this red to my lower lash line because I did forget to do it earlier. So I just did that to add a little more cohesion, make it look more like the top. So, and then I also popped on some lashes, and now I'm gonna do the rest of my face. Okay, so for blush today, I'm gonna go into the CXC Beauty blush palette, but this is the Daring, so this is gonna be the darker of the two. And I'm gonna go into the middle shade. And I'm almost using that as a blush contour. And then if you did put too much on, you could always stamp it out with your beauty blender just to blend it out a little bit better. Okay, and for my highlighter today, I'm going to use this one from KKW Beauty, and it's called Tempting. It looks like this. Go on my Cupid's brow. Bridge of my nose. My forehead. And then today, I thought for our Vampy Valentine's Day look, I would give you two lip options. So first, I'm going to go in with a nude lip, and I'm going to take that Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in shade Kylie from last video, and I'm actually going to fill my entire lips with this shade instead of using the lip kit. I just want to see how it looks because it's a beautiful nude color. Okay, so first lip option is going to be this nude lip liner with a little bit of lip gloss. So this is look number one. And then lip number two is going to be a little bit of a vampier lip. I'm going to go in with House Laboratories lip liner in Slayer. And then I'm going to go in with CXC Beauty Matte Lipstick in shade Marta, which is a beautiful true red color. And then you just blend those together and then take a little bit more of the lip liner just to blend the line a little further. Okay, and then you have your really vampy lip. Now if you want to intensify it even more, you can go over it with a gloss. And this is also by House Labs. This is the L'Oreal Lip Gloss in Scream. And it looks like this. So this is more like a poison apple, poison candy apple. It's like Anti-Valentine's Day, for those who have wronged you. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you like this vampy look. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. I want to wish you all a happy Valentine's Day, happy Valentine's Day, happy Anti-Valentine's Day, whatever you're into. Just remember at the end of the day, just love yourself. That's all you need in life. Love yourself, eat some chocolate, drink some champagne, and enjoy your day. I hope you enjoyed this look. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments below. Did I say that twice? Maybe. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. We upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. We'd greatly appreciate it. And I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.